To split payments with Klarna, sign up. Start by understanding what Klarna is. Klarna is a payment service that allows you to pay for purchases in installments. Signing up for Klarna is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, go to the Klarna website or download the Klarna app. Click on the Sign Up button and enter your email address and password to create an account. You will then be asked to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have entered your information, Klarna will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for their payment plans. This will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you can start using Klarna to make purchases and split payments. When you make a purchase using Klarna, you will be given the option to pay in full or split the payment into installments. You can choose to pay in 4 interest-free installments, or you can opt for a longer payment plan with interest. The payment plan options will vary depending on the merchant and the amount of your purchase. To split a payment with Klarna, simply select the payment plan option at checkout. You will then be asked to confirm your payment schedule and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have confirmed your payment plan, Klarna will send you reminders when your payments are due. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Klarna app or website. If you have any issues with your payments, you can contact Klarna customer support for assistance. In conclusion, signing up for Klarna and splitting payments is a simple and convenient process. By following these steps, you can take advantage of Klarna's payment plans and make purchases more manageable. Remember to always make your payments on time and review the terms and conditions of your payment. Plan to avoid any unexpected fees or charges.